Hi, this is Mark DeLeese, and I have a huge announcement for TubeFool, the premier marketing suite and traffic suite for YouTube. And the addition and the announcement that I have that not only do we have the integration with the best spinner, when you're auto posting comments, it'll spin your comments using the best spinner API, but we also have integrated with the article builder. Now this is huge. The article builder, with just one click of your mouse, will give you better than PLR articles that will automatically post to comments on YouTube. And I'll show you exactly how this works. Here is the best spinner, by the way. The best spinner, it'll spin content. But also there's a program by Jonathan Ledger called the article builder. And just one click of the button, it'll automatically give you content, great looking content, and it'll spin it and so forth. And so I'm going to show you exactly how this works within TubeFool. Let me just open it up, and here's the interface, the main interface, and if you go to application configuration, you click on that button here, here's the window, you'll see your delays for your video delay requests for your sending and your receiving actions. There's also a default for your actions. But right here, you'll see here that there's the best spinner, 40% off link, and you enable the best spinner and put in your username and password. And also, right now, there's also the article builder. Also, I've been able to approach Jonathan Ledger and get these discounts for you when you click on these links. And you put your username and your password, and you enable article builder. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to fill in my username and password for each of these, and I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Now, just let me pause it because I don't want you to see my username and password, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and the username and the password for the best spinner and article builder are saved, and they're in the application configurations. Now you'll notice that obviously you want to have an account set up, a YouTube account. You can set up all your accounts here. You put in your username and password. You can also have private proxies. That works great. So you can have a number of different YouTube channel accounts and so forth, and even using proxies. Okay, you just enter it right here. You'll see here that the first thing that you can do is you can gather users. And the second thing you can do is you can gather and maintain videos. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how it works with videos, because when you make comments, you're commenting on people's videos. We're also doing an upgrade where you can comment on people's channels. That's coming very shortly. But right now, you can comment on people's videos. So for example, let's get users' videos, and let's do that. So let's click on get users' videos, enter a valid username. So for example, Mashable. Okay, Mashable is a YouTube username from Mashable.com. They have a YouTube channel. So let's get all their YouTube videos, and then I'll just quickly process this. Click on process. It says URL is added to the background processing. So it is background processing. You don't even see it. You can now work on other tasks to do because it's in the background processing. You can see the action queue, and it's already finished, and you can see the report. And as you can see, get videos for Mashable, it's already been done. You see that? So now if we click on show video list, it'll show you how many videos Mashable does have. And they got a number of videos. Okay, so the first thing that we can do here is that we can make sure that when we do some actions here, we can obviously make sure you're doing your actions from one of your accounts. Now you can pick which YouTube account you want to do this from. I only have one connected right now, but you can do multiple threaded processes here. And you can see here that obviously, let me just put this up here. You can see here you can post comments, you can get commentators. So for example, if these are, I can select a number of them here, and I can get commentators from this here. So whoever's made comments on these videos, this will basically, when I click that, it'll grab the users from all those videos who have made comments. And also I can get related videos, all right, from all these as well, and add to this list of videos. But for illustration purposes, we are going to post a comment, And so binders full of women. And so I can click on right here. That's kind of a generic keyword. Let's for example, the Apple iPad mini. Okay, let's post a comment on that. So click on post comment, and you see a window opens up. Now there's 6 fields that can be populated. Now I can manually start entering text here like that, or I can come back and obviously I can add spinner syntax. So your spinner syntax, you can put that in here and then click on rewrite message. Or I can, for example, test message, I can write my message right here with text and use the best spinner rewrite message, and I'll rewrite it and spin it as well. But there's a new feature here where it'll automatically populate the fields with spun context and text from Article Builder. So click on this button here, and a little window shows up, and it says the category. So let me just click the category. There's a whole bunch of categories from Article Builder that I can do here. And so let's just pick one that says iPhone, all right? Or iPad. There you go, iPad right there. Enable super spin, yes or no. And I can type in additional keywords that I want right here. But once you've made your selection, just click on process. And you see how that's automatically populated with spun content? And it's all different. All this is different. Every one of these is different. And I can even click on rewrite message, and it'll spin it even more from using the best spinner. So that's very, very powerful. And so all I need to do is, when done, is click on done, and that's going to start processing. Operation attitude background processing. You see that? So here's the video that we made a comment on. Now watch this. I'm going to, here's the video. Now I'm going to browse to this page. Now it says browse page for selected. And keep in mind, you can upload videos and stuff like that, export, import. But I'm going to just click on browse page for selected. Click on that. And this video that I commented on will show up. Okay, right here. Just let me pause this YouTube. So let me see my comment. Let me come down, scroll down here. There it is. See that? Mark Delise, 37 seconds ago. There is the comment. Is that excellent? That is so powerful. And so this truly works like gangbusters, and you can see all the different commenters on here. And watch this. There's a lot of different commenters. Here's their usernames. AnyTech Reviews. The Muffin Rises. Now watch this. I'm going to go back to TubeFool, and I'm going to click on this video, and it says Get Commentators. Okay, and it's processing the background. Okay, so let me close this. Let me close this up. Let me click on here so you don't have that background. Let me close this up, and you'll see here if I click on Show Users List, the commentators are showed up right there. See, AnyTech Reviews, The Muffin Rises. You see that? And here's the filter here, video commentators. You see that? So I grab the commentators from that, and here's my channel, Video Marketing Smarts, and so it's very, very powerful. So here's the so that works as well. Now I can take these users and I can subscribe to them. I can do a contact request. I can share a video with them. Just put in the URL, and it'll go to their inbox and share a video where they click on it and look at it. And I can subscribe to them, and what they do, they subscribe back. I can make a contact request, and if they accept my contact request, then I can start private messaging them. All kinds of neat stuff. So this is how powerful TubeFool is. Again, the integration with Article Builder and the best spinner. It works like gangbusters, and it's awesome. Thank you. Mark Delise signing off. This is TubeFool 2.1 build 6898. Thank you.